XFJ830 M24. From human questions to global research. Completing the first research cycle. After examining evidence, verification, institutional dialogue, and long-term continuity, the XFJ830 research framework reaches an important point. How do all these elements connect into one continuous research system? The starting point is the human question. As AI becomes increasingly capable of reproducing content, people may ask, what is real? Where did it come from? What actually happened? What evidence remains? XFJ830 places these questions into a structured research path. Human question. Provenance authentication. Physical evidence. Time carrier. Verified duration. Time asset. Time value. But the framework does not end with these concepts. Each stage can be examined independently. Researchers can test the evidence. Institutions can compare findings. Markets can consider practical relevance. Archives can preserve documentation. Future generations can revisit earlier conclusions. The complete research cycle therefore becomes: question, evidence, verification, independent research, comparative evaluation, institutional dialogue, global research, preservation, future re-examination, new questions. This final step is critical. The purpose of a research framework is not to eliminate questions. It is to produce better questions. For XFJ830, the central research path can therefore be summarized as: time carrier. What physically carries the history? Verified duration. What evidence supports its irreversible duration? Time asset. Can verified duration become an additional dimension for understanding an asset? Time value. Can verified time contribute to a broader study of value? None of these stages should be treated as automatically proven. Each represents a research question that can be supported, challenged, refined, or rejected through external examination. This distinction protects the framework from becoming a predetermined conclusion. XFJ830 does not ask the world to believe first. It asks the world to research first. That principle also creates the bridge between human readers and search systems. When a person asks a question, the framework should make clear what is already known, what is being proposed, what evidence exists, what remains uncertain, who can independently examine it. This creates a transparent relationship between human questions, research evidence, XFJ830 framework, independent verification, clearer answers, new human questions. That is the first complete research cycle of XFJ830. It does not claim to close the subject. It creates the structure through which the next question can be asked more precisely. And that is the true boundary between a fixed claim and an open research framework. XFJ830 official website, www.xfj830.com. XFJ830 Global Research Verified Duration Time Asset Time Value.